Understanding the concepts of legal and lawful. What is legal? And what is lawful? More importantly, how do these terms differ? These are common questions that often bring ambiguity, particularly for those who aren't familiar with the landscape of legal terminology. Using everyday language, this video unlocks the conundrum. Legal versus lawful, decoding the language. At a first glance, legal and lawful seem interchangeable. After all, both terms find their roots in the law. However, on closer inspection, a shade of difference can be discerned in the usage of the two terms. The realm of legal. Generally, the term legal is derived from the Latin word legalis, meaning to relate to the law, and it is often used in the context of the system of laws of a country. This term primarily concerns the structure of the law, and it relates to the law's formation, understanding, and application. It refers to things sanctioned by the law and its principles and, more broadly, what's permitted within the law's framework. An example could be the legality of obtaining a driver's license at the age of 16 in the United States, or the legal age for purchasing and consuming alcohol, which is 21 in many countries. The landscape of lawful. To the contrary, lawful is specifically associated with the principles of right and wrong as defined by law. It's often used when discussing something that aligns with the letter of the law and morally accepted norms. While what is legal to do may not necessarily always be considered right or just, what is lawful often also adheres to a sense of moral correctness. An action can be considered lawful only if it strictly complies with the law of the land, be it by principle or statute. Case in point, in Bowers v. Hardwick, 1986, the U.S. Supreme Court ruled that Georgia's anti-sodomy law was lawful, even though many viewed it as a violation of human rights. While the action enforced in Georgia was legal, as it complied with the state law, the question of whether it was lawful, in terms of justice or moral correctness, became a subject of rigorous debate. The judgment was overturned in Lawrence v. Texas, 2003, emphasizing that what is lawful should also uphold the principles of fairness and justice. The interplay and impact. The complexities of legal and lawful often come into play in our day-to-day lives, ranging from the laws regarding taxes and contracts to the ones relating to public behavior, consumption habits, etc. Critical understanding and awareness about these terms can help us make informed decisions about matters of legality and lawfulness, be it in personal matters or community discussions. Moreover, their interpretations and nuances often guide lawmakers, lawyers, and judges in the formation and application of laws, shaping the future of our legal system to align more consistently with common good and societal norms. And now, the verdict. While the nuances of these terms may seem trivial, their proper usage and understanding carry weight in legal arguments, interpretations, and decisions. Hence, the phrase, "ignorance of the law is no excuse," truly stands, reminding us of our duty to know the law and its nuances, including the distinction between what is legal and what is lawful. The nuances of legal and lawful remind us that while every square, lawful, is a rectangle, legal, not every rectangle is necessarily a square. In essence, it's a testament to our progressive legal landscape where what is merely legal may not always be found to be just and, thereby, lawful. In a nutshell, the concept of what is legal pertains to what is permitted by the law, while lawful has a broader context. It concerns not just with the letter, but also the spirit of the law. And therein lies the importance of understanding these concepts before we traverse the web of ordinances, statutes, and precedents. In our endeavor to ensure justice, the understanding of legal and lawful enables us to challenge and question the laws that govern us, one of the foundations of a thriving democracy. Please like and subscribe to be notified of new videos.